In a world driven by technology, the Anker Nano Power Bank stands out as a beacon of convenience and efficiency. As users hustle through their daily routines, this compact powerhouse ensures that their devices remain charged, freeing them from the anxiety of a low battery. At just $39.88, it's an affordable accessory that seamlessly blends into anyone's lifestyle, offering peace of mind at a moment's notice. The built-in foldable USB-C connector illustrates Anker's commitment to a tangle-free experience, making it an essential gadget for tech-savvy individuals and casual users alike. Its sleek design isn't just about aesthetics, it also speaks to portability and ease of use. Whether at work or during leisure, this power bank transforms the way users engage with technology, creating opportunities for connection without interruption. With the MoCute 050 Bluetooth gaming controller, transforming your smartphone into a gaming console becomes an exhilarating experience. Priced attractively at $20.62, this controller enhances gameplay with its ergonomic design, allowing players to enjoy extended gaming sessions without discomfort. Whether engaging in fast-paced action or strategic racing simulations, its responsive controls ensure every move feels natural and intuitive. The connectivity is seamless, compatible with both Android and iOS devices, giving gamers the freedom to choose their preferred platform while delighting in hours of uninterrupted play thanks to its impressive battery life. The Zeal Sound wireless charging pad emerges as a game-changer for anyone tired of messy cables cluttering their space. With a price tag of $37.79, this sleek charging solution prioritizes functionality and style. Designed for Qi-enabled devices, it simplifies the charging process with a touch. Just place your device on the pad, and watch it power up without the hassle of plugging in cords. The non-slip surface ensures that your device stays securely in place, giving you peace of mind while it charges. Moreover, the LED indicator conveniently shows when your device is charging, making it easy to ensure a full battery before you grab it and go. The Wise Smart Plug is your gateway to home automation at just $24.98. This intuitive device allows you to control your electronics from anywhere using a smartphone app, marrying convenience with modern technology. Imagine arriving home and effortlessly turning on your lights or setting the coffee maker to start brewing right before you wake up. With voice control compatibility, you can utilize assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant to manage your gadgets using simple commands, making it even easier to stay organized. Plus, its scheduling and automation features empower you to create routines, ensuring your home runs smoothly and efficiently even when you're not there. The Mini Spotlight projector offers a unique way to elevate your entertainment experience, priced at $63. Its compact design allows you to take the cinema experience anywhere, transforming any space into a viewing theater. With impressive image quality that rivals larger projectors, it supports various input sources to accommodate your needs, whether for movie nights with friends or important presentations at work. Setting it up is a breeze thanks to its user-friendly interface, allowing you to dive straight into the action without the hassle of complicated installations. Enjoy clear visuals and stunning clarity, ensuring every detail captivates your audience. The Rust programming language, 2nd edition, priced at $49.99, invites readers to explore the powerful world of systems programming. This book provides a comprehensive introduction, showcasing Rust's unique features centered on performance and memory safety. Through detailed explanations and practical examples, beginners and experienced programmers alike can hone their skills, embracing modern best practices while diving into advanced concepts that elevate their coding expertise. Whether a novice looking to understand the fundamentals or a veteran updating their toolkit, this guide serves as an essential resource, bridging the gap between theory and real-world applications in a rapidly evolving tech landscape. Moreover, with its structured layout, readers can easily follow along and engage with exercises designed to solidify understanding and mastery of the language. For those seeking a quick reference, the Java programming language, a quick study laminated reference guide is an invaluable asset at just $8.95. This durable guide presents the core concepts of Java in a concise, easy-to-read format, making it perfectly suited for students and professionals alike. Whether you're brushing up on your skills before an interview or revising for exams, its laminated design ensures longevity, allowing you to carry it wherever your studies may take you. Covering essential topics, it serves as a handy tool to reinforce your programming knowledge effectively. The 8-bit Do Ultimate Mobile Gaming Controller, priced at $45.49, promises to elevate your mobile gaming sessions. Designed with gamers in mind, this controller boasts customizable button mapping, allowing players to tailor their experience. Its Bluetooth connectivity ensures effortless pairing with various platforms, making it a versatile choice for those who enjoy gaming on the go. Furthermore, the long battery life means uninterrupted gaming sessions, allowing you to dive into endless adventures without worrying about recharging frequently. In conclusion, each gadget reviewed represents the intersection of innovation and practicality, enhancing daily experiences with their efficiency and design. From the Anker Nano Power Bank to the 8-bit Do Ultimate Mobile Gaming Controller, these products stand out not just in functionality but also in their ability to fit seamlessly into everyday life.